How to add role in Airtable. Hi everyone, in this video you would learn how you can add role in Airtable. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the um select the base that you'd like to work with. So once you selected the base and you're brought to the workspace, as you can see on my screen, the next step on adding a new role is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see different options such as the view. You can see the creation, etc. Now the next step is to move to where the views are located, that is where the fields are located. And some of the fields types will include notes, name, assignee, status, etc. Then you can just move to the lower part of the screen and click on the plus icon. Alright, so once you click on the plus icon this way, a new role will be created just like that. So you can keep on clicking on it and clicking on it and clicking on it, and more roles will be created. Very, very simple. So this is how we can add a new role on Airtable. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.